Good morning, you're listening to Shivangi, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 10th July from around the world. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan, after a meeting of group of ministers on COVID-19 situation on Thursday, said that experts again stated there is no community transmission in India. There may be some localized pockets where transmission is high, but as a country, there is no community transmission, he said. India has reported 7,67,296 coronavirus cases so far. India's COVID-19 cases per million are 538, while the world average is 1,453. The Indian Institutes of Technology are considering dropping the Class 12 performance criterion for admissions this year because of a disruption in board exams due to the COVID-19 pandemic, according to a report. Bihar DGP Gupteshwar Pandey on Thursday congratulated MP Police for arresting UP gangster Vikas Dubey, who was wanted in the killing of 8 policemen in Kanpur. Delhi Urban Shelter Improvement Board told Delhi High Court that no food has been provided to people staying at its shelters from July 2 onwards on AAP government's instructions. As many as 12 people were killed by lightning in 6 Bihar districts on Wednesday. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar announced that 4 lakh INR each will be given to the family of the deceased. The J&K police on Thursday said that 10 on-duty personnel have been dismissed from service for negligence of duty and arrested after BJP leader Wasim Bari, his father and his brother were killed by terrorists in Bandipora district. Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation said the results of its Rapid Action Plan Mission Zero to tackle COVID-19 cases will show in 10 days. The 36-day plan was launched on June 22nd to focus on Mulund, Bhandu, Dahisar, Borivali, Kandivali and Malad. Bengaluru Police Commissioner Bhaskar Rao has requested the DG and IGP Praveen Sood for a designated COVID-19 care center for the police. He also requested the State Police Chief for financial assistance for providing face shields, masks, gloves and hand sanitizers to police personnel. Around 20 police stations have been sealed across the city after positive cases were reported there. A Nigerian national was arrested by Railway Protection Force for alleged possession of 2.3 kg of amphetamine worth 2 crore INR in Navi Mumbai, an official said. He was arrested when he deboarded a train after pulling the alarm chain between Nilaje and Taloja Panchnan stations. The accused and seized drugs were handed over to the Narcotics Control Bureau. A major fire broke out at a warehouse in Delhi's Mundaka area on Wednesday night, following which 35 fire tenders were rushed to the spot. Divisional Fire Officer S.K. Dua stated that the warehouse was used to store electronic items and medical equipment and added that no casualties have been reported so far. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated 6 strategically important bridges built by Border Roads Organization in Jammu and Kashmir. I, Shivangi, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.